Was your SSDI claim recently denied? Don't panic. Most denials happen for a few common reasons, and fixing them can put you back on track to win benefits. Understanding why denials happen is key to building a stronger case. My name is Kaitlin Wildoner, and I'm an attorney who helps disabled clients obtain their disability benefits as quickly as possible so they can focus on getting better. In today's video, I will explain the most common reason SSDI claims get denied and share some practical strategies to help you fight back so you can correct mistakes, strengthen your evidence, and maximize your chances of winning benefits. One of the most common reasons for SSDI denials is lack of detailed medical evidence proving that your disability prevents you from engaging in substantial gainful activity. In 2026, the Social Security Administration defined substantial gainful activity as the ability to earn $1,690 per month in gross earnings for non-blind applicants. For many, common conditions like arthritis or heart disease must be heavily documented with current doctor's notes, updated test results like MRIs or EKGs, and treatment records that show absolute severity. Gather updated, comprehensive medical records and ask your treating physician to complete a residual functional capacity form specifying your exact physical limits, like they cannot stand for more than 10 minutes due to severe lumbar spinal stenosis. Many denials also occur because applicants don't meet the Social Security Administration's strict definition of disability, which requires that your impairment prevent substantial work and be expected to last at least 1 full year or end in death. Older workers sometimes assume that age-related wear and tear automatically qualifies them, but the Social Security Administration requires objective proof of severe functional limitations. To fight back, review the Social Security Administration's Blue Book listing criteria on the Social Security Administration's website. This can help you align your specific diagnosis with their specific requirements. In your appeal forms, detail exactly how your conditions impact daily tasks, such as an inability to lift basic groceries or reach overhead due to a torn rotator cuff, to demonstrate your clear legal eligibility. Denials also stem from inaccurate or poorly detailed work descriptions, as the Social Security Administration evaluates your past jobs to determine whether you can return to those jobs or adapt to less demanding roles. The Social Security Administration will evaluate your past relevant work for the last 5 years. This means that you will want to provide accurate and detailed information about all jobs you have held in the last 5 years. Compile a precise history of your jobs, note certain details like job titles, dates, and heavy physical demands like lifting 50 pounds or standing all day. If your appeal forms are vague about your recent duties, the Social Security Administration may assume that you can still physically perform them. To overturn a denial, you must file a request for reconsideration within 60 days of receiving your denial letter. If that paper review is turned down, you will move to the next level, a hearing before an administrative law judge. The hearing stage is historically where claimants have their highest rates of success, in part because judges can apply the Social Security Administration's grid rules where applicable. These guidelines tend to recognize that it is much harder for older workers to learn a new career or switch to a desk job. Because the hearing involves somewhat formal rules of evidence and cross-examining witnesses, navigating it alone can be tough. Partnering with a disability attorney can help you streamline the appeal, ensure your work history and medical evidence is framed correctly, and significantly improve your odds of approval. Thanks so much for watching. If you're disabled and unable to work, click the scheduling link below, or give us a call directly for a free consultation where we discuss your case and see what I can do to help you.